Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is the first video of whatever this is called, PEIPEI, whatever, and I'm gonna call it PP, right? So the thing is that I have had requests from people who are saying, "Hey, please do this, video on PP and stuff," and I had to actually check it out. It's on MaxC, and it actually pushed up in such a way that it has gained a lot of gained attention right now. Now, basically, what I think this is going to, maybe it's not going to be very good comment about it, because based on chart reading, I want to start off on the 4 hour time frame, and I want to show you something that is very straightforward, and I think it's important to talk about. So previously, number one, we started off randomly out of nowhere, we dropped to the downside, and then we start to pick up, and you're actually moving even way more to the upside. If we do check the weekly time frame here, then yeah, the patterns are looking like this. There's not too much data on the weekly. The monthly is actually pretty new as well, but we do have a lot of data on the 4 hour time frame, which we can actually try to conclude what is going on and what we can expect in the future. So right now you're moving up and down, and I think you're just creating a rising wedge at the moment. So if I take the trend line and I drop off the trend line here, we have some few support. We could actually see one more fall down to the support and try to move back up again. So this is very clear support right now. The second thing is resistance. So the resistance is shaping up to be something like this, and if we stretch the maximum stretch at the moment, then you're going to see the maximum time being until the end of the month, which is actually until 31 of July. Now, within 31 of July, we might actually start to squeeze too much and fall to the downside. But why do I say fall, right? There is another supportive evidence that shows that there could be a drop and go to now remember, there is no any it's not in play just yet. Okay, the pattern is there. Okay, the rising wedge is there, but it actually didn't break to the downside to go down. And the second thing is the RSI. Now the higher you're going, the lower the RSI is actually going. This is a bearish divergence. It's not good, and it's a proof. Okay, it's a proof that people are selling. Those people, big players who are actually invested in this coin, are selling, and when they sell, that's when you get the divergence, which is a bearish divergence. So you cannot deny that. And another thing is that soon enough, maybe we could do something like this, go up, try to break above, and then finally drop to the downside, or maybe just drop from here and then go to the downside. So what you need to see to go down is a move down, break, come for the retest, and then probably go all the way down. And your technical target is going to be 1433, which could actually be a very big dramatic drop. Next thing is, who knows, right? Who knows? Could we actually have a twist and actually break above the rising wedge and go higher? Can it happen? Well, there's 10% chance of that to happen. And if it does happen, then you can pretty much mark this as safe. But I highly doubt. Let me know in the comments what you think. And that's all for the video. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.